Hi everyone. There are several ways people cook, but the goal is to achieve the same thing: keep it tasty and healthy. I'm Annie Michael, and I'm going to show you how I make my Asun using my cam all-purpose seasoning. I add a teaspoonful of cam all-purpose seasoning, then I add some onion and fresh chili, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix together and allow to marinate for about 2 hours. I add a little water to pre-cook the goat meat. I'm just going to steam it for about 30 minutes on a very low heat. At this point, the stock is dry and the meat is pre-cooked. Then I drizzle in some vegetable oil, add my onion, fresh chili, and mix together. Fry for about 3 minutes and it's ready.